Hi there, it's Thibaut. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how I find 5 to 10 new prospects every day thanks to Scrap.io. So with Scrap.io, it's really interesting because I have many different ways of finding emails and LinkedIn profiles. So for example, if I go into my email finder or search, let's go on the search, I can ask an AI to find the right filters here. So I can say, find find me some head of sales based in New York City. So what's going to do is going to simply put the right filters over here, and then I'm able to see the right people here. So for example, I got Steve and Mark that are interesting. I'll go to get selected emails in my list head of sales, and then they got here. So I can go here. I can see Mark has been there. This one I need to check again. It's invalid, but basically the catch-all means that the email is receiving, the email database is receiving some emails. So that's an interesting thing. And what's really good is that I can select the people here. So I can be like Ron, Nick, and these people and see and sync them with my CRM. So there's Salesforce and HubSpot integration. So that's something that's pretty simple to do. Another way of finding prospects is to go on Sales Navigator or on LinkedIn. Here, I've done a quick research where I wanted to find some influencer marketing manager in the city or in New York City. So, for example, I'll take Justin and Begum, and then I'll go over here, click on Scrap. It's gonna select what we have over here, so Justin and Begum. And now I'm gonna put them into the brand marketing manager. Enrich, emails have been found, and then I go back to the list here and I can see they are here. Again, here, what I can do is select everyone, push everyone into the CRM. And so it's a relatively simple way of finding email addresses and LinkedIn profiles, either using Sales Navigator in one end or using Scribe.io directly in there. And that's a really good way of doing this. So you can look at the integration we have here, HubSpot, Outreach, Pipedrive, Salesforce, Zoho, that are the basic integration. You can obviously document and do some integrations with some other CRM by using the API key, but that's a really simple way to find emails. So it verifies for you, it makes sure that emails won't bounce. So if you're looking for an alternative data set, that's a pretty cool thing to check.